If you have an e-commerce site, wouldn't it be great to know a cool new strategy to get more traffic? Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down how to increase your traffic and sales from Google with WooCommerce and with Google Ads. Today, I'm going to show you how to drive more traffic and sales to your WooCommerce stores using just one plugin. But before we get started, I want to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Google. WooCommerce facilitated over $20 billion in sales in 2020 according to Matt Mullenweg in the State of the Word 2020. WooCommerce is the most popular open source e-commerce platform and a top choice for WordPress users. Plugins are part of the success with WooCommerce store owners reaching shoppers and driving sales. There are over 700 extensions on the official WooCommerce.com marketplace and more on WordPress.org. According to Datanyze, WooCommerce powers over 27% of all online stores, the highest market share of e-commerce. While these are all great aspects of this platform, how can an e-commerce business drive even more traffic and sales to their WooCommerce store? We all know that Google is a leading traffic source. Whether you're looking at organic SEO or paid ads, Google just drives a boatload of traffic. A recent report by Catalyst Digital shows that 50% of all shoppers discover new products or brands on Google, which is a huge opportunity. Now, Google provides highly targeted traffic with millions of shoppers worldwide ready to discover and buy your e-commerce products. As an e-commerce site owner, there are a couple of options to acquire free traffic from Google. And when I mean free, I really do mean free, as well as paid. A great way to get traffic from Google is through this WooCommerce Google's Listing and Ads. Is the official extension built by WooCommerce, and it basically allows you to sync your store with Google to list products on their platform. The way you're able to do this is by uploading your products and store data to Google, which allows you to sync automatically with their platform and all the services it offers. Whether it's for free or paid ads, you can track your product's performance from just one place in your dashboard. If you're looking for free traffic, there are unpaid product search results that show up in places like Google Shopping tabs, Google Search, and Google Images. When you submit your products through Google's listings and ads, this usually happens automatically depending on your settings. The key thing to remember is that the richer the product data that you submit, the better chances of getting your product showcased. So make sure you go in depth. If you want that extra boost of highly targeted traffic, then you may want to start running a smart shopping campaign, which you can do directly within the Google Listings and Ads integration. With smart shopping campaigns, you can reach people across Google's networks, including YouTube, Gmail, Google Search, and even the Google Display Network. All you have to do is sync up your products and set a daily budget. Google will literally take care of the rest and optimize your campaign to display your products in the best time and places to shoppers. Now, WooCommerce has a new plugin that allows you to sync your WooCommerce store to Google Listings and Ads pretty much automatically. The plugin is free, and all you have to do to get started is download WooCommerce Google Listing and Ads extension. I'm sharing the link in the description below to make it easy for you to download it. You'll also receive $150 in ad credit when you create your Google Ads account. Google Listing and Ads will not only give you the chance to get free traffic from Google, but it'll also give you the opportunity to tap into Google's smart shopping campaigns. The best part, you only pay when people click on your ad. You can get your products in front of qualified shoppers and adjust your budget anytime. This is a great way to boost your traffic and sales with paid ads. You can focus on your store while Google's technology will automatically help find shoppers who are more likely to spend more money. Here's a bonus tip. A great way to optimize for these campaigns is to allow for a 2-week minimum learning period without making changes to your campaign. Google will optimize your campaign and choose the best time and the best place to show your products to shoppers. You just have to be patient and give them time. There you have it. Now you know the easiest way to get traffic from Google with WooCommerce.